Simple LinkedIn marketing hacks to grow your B2B audience. Hey there, friends. What we're about to tell you has been a recurring topic during this training, but we believe it is worth repeating, so everyone across the board has it clear, regardless of industry or target niche. The average LinkedIn user is different and engages differently. This is because the average LinkedIn user joins the platform not to find friends or to have entertaining conversations, but to consume highly educational content and to find the people that can help them grow their business. So, if you want business-minded people to engage with your brand on LinkedIn, it is important that you learn the right strategies. The following are the LinkedIn marketing hacks that you can leverage to grow your business-to-business audience. Comment on relevant content. Thought leadership, management style, and product leadership are the content styles that establish authority and drive engagement on LinkedIn. And important as it is to create original content that builds authority for your brand, it is also important to establish authority by contributing to existing conversations in your industry. And you can do this simply by commenting on relevant content. What you have to do is to leave comments on posts, videos, and publications made by users and brands in your niche. Now, because the idea is to establish authority, you have to contribute with thoughtful comments that contribute to existing conversations. You can do this by adding your point of view, by providing complimentary information, and by adding hot takes that expand the conversation and spark debates. By contributing this way, you'll expose your profile and brand page on the content feeds of other users. Thought leaders and decision-makers won't hesitate to start following your brand and adding you to their networks. Produce rich media posts. Using visual media is a great way to help your content stand out in the feed. This is because visual posts or posts that include an image or video are more likely to interrupt the user experience by providing a visual cue to stop and check your post. Rich media posts can produce two different types of engagement, depending on the media that you use. Let's break this down quickly. If you want to get lots of comments, upload an image to your post. According to LinkedIn best practice figures, image posts generate 98% more comments than plain text posts. If you want to get lots of shares, then upload a video to your post. According to the same figures, video posts generate 75% more shares than plain text posts. The good news is that you don't have to upload your own videos, as you can simply link your YouTube videos on your posts, and they autoplay in the content feed. Add your custom LinkedIn URL to email signatures. Your company emails are already an amazing marketing channel, and you might as well leverage them to promote your LinkedIn profile to your B2B leads. Your company emails have an immense, sometimes untapped reach. In addition to leads that reach you through your contact forms, you can also reach leads by way of an email incentive, through checkout forms, and through your existing mailing lists. And you can drive traffic from those sources to your LinkedIn channels by slipping your custom LinkedIn URL as part of your email signature. If you haven't personalized your custom LinkedIn URL first, you'll have to visit your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Profile menu, and then to click on the Edit Public Profile and URL option to personalize and save your custom LinkedIn URL. Once you have your custom URL, you will simply have to attach it at the end of your email signatures as a text link. Host live events. There is a huge segment of B2B leads that love live events, such as conferences and webinars, and you can use LinkedIn to attract, engage, qualify, and convert these types of leads by promoting your live events on the platform. This doesn't have to be complicated, of course, and you can do it in a few simple steps. Schedule a live event on your platform of choice. For example, on YouTube, on Facebook Live, or on Vimeo. Record yourself announcing the live event. Make it brief and to the point. Be casual about it, and highlight the most relevant points you'll discuss in the event. Create a LinkedIn video ad to promote your live event. Upload your announcement to this ad. If possible, create a sign-up form using a tool such as Google Forms to capture attendees and their email addresses. Add a link to this form in your ad, and instruct attendees to sign up for the event through the form so you can send them reminders. Send daily reminders 3 days in advance of the live event. Encourage staff networking. If you have employees or staff, it is a good idea to encourage staff networking. This is to encourage your staff to create their own LinkedIn profiles, to join your network, and to follow your company pages. Then, encourage them to become your brand ambassadors by getting them to share your company page content and to provide their own thoughtful content about your brand or products.